Will you raise your right hand and place your left hand on the Bible? Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Will you state your first name?
Terrence Bradley.
Thank you, sir.
May it please the court, your honor?
Yes, ma'am.
Before is Mr. Terrence Bradley. This is case number 2026 GS 450004. Your honor, he was charged with resisting arrest. He is represented by Attorney Virgil Barr of the Williamsburg County Public Defender's Office. Mr. Bradley has been detained at the Williamsburg County Detention Center since November 30th of 2025 for a total of 205 days. Mr. Bradley is here this morning to plead guilty to the charge of resisting arrest. The state's recommendation is a time served sentence of the 205 days that he has served.
That's 3 years or something.
Okay, Mr. Barr, you represent Terrence Bradley.
I do, Your Honor.
Explain the nature of charge, possible penalty against constitutional rights with regard to a jury trial.
I have, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Bradley.
Yes, sir.
Listen closely. I got a bunch of questions I'm going to ask you. If you don't understand my question or need to talk with Mr. Barr as we go through this process, you just let me know, okay?
Yes, sir.
Today, are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol?
No, sir.
Ever had any treatment for any mental health problems?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Barr, what's the nature of his mental?
Schizophrenia, Your Honor.
Okay, are you taking medication for that?
Sometime I do.
Okay, are you taking it right now?
Yeah.
Is it helping you think clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You understand that resisting arrest carries a maximum penalty of 1 year and it's a misdemeanor?
Well, they have me in 3 years almost.
Okay.
That's how long I've been incarcerated. I thought it carried 3 years.
No, it carries 1, and I've got the day that you were arrested on this was back in November of last year, but we'll get to that in a minute, but you understand that it's a misdemeanor, carries a year.
Yes, sir.
When you plead guilty, you give up constitutional rights. You give up your right to remain silent and your right to a jury trial. In a jury trial, the state would have the burden.
But they had some money for me to give me for holding me for long or something?
No, we're just here to deal with the criminal charge today.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And I need you to listen to my questions so we can get through this process, okay?
Yes, sir.
So when you plead guilty, I'm going to boil it down for you. When you plead guilty, you give up your right to remain silent and you give up your right to a jury trial. You understand that?
Yeah.
Okay. The indictment states that you did here in Williamsburg County on about November the 30th of 2025 resist an arrest that was being made by Officer DeQuan Brown with the King Street Police Department in violation of Section 16-9-320 of the South Carolina Code. Do you plead guilty or not guilty?
Guilty?
All right.
Yes, sir.
The state's going to recommend that I sentence you the time that you've already done. Is that your understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Has anybody promised you anything to get you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
Anybody forcing you to plead?
No, sir.
You doing it freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Satisfied with the lawyer's work, Mr. Barr?
Yes, sir. You say you're going to help me out.
You have 10 days from today's date to appeal the plea or the sentence. If you wanted to appeal, that appeal would have to be filed in writing with this court.
I don't make time serving that. I'm going to go home.
I understand that, sir. Let me get through what I've got to do, and then we'll get there, okay?
Yes, sir.
So, Ms. Austin, anything to add other than what's listed in the indictment?
No, sir, Your Honor.
And Mr. Barr, does the defense stipulate to the truth of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
All right. I find there's substantial factual basis for a plea. Find the defense's decision to plead guilty is freely, voluntarily, and tell it to me. He's had the advice and counsel of an attorney with whom he's satisfied, and I will accept the plea, and unless anybody has anything to add, I will sentence him to time served.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.